This is All India Radio Shillong. The Northeast News Bulletin read by Sandeepan Chakravarti. Sikkim Chief Minister Prem Singh Tamang said people belonging to the state stranded on their way home will be quarantined in Siliguri in neighbouring West Bengal for 14 days before they are allowed to enter Sikkim. The government will facilitate the return of all people stuck outside the state following the guidelines of the centre, he said. The returnees will be put in isolation at various facilities such as hotels and schools to be arranged by the government before they are allowed to go to their homes, the Chief Minister said. The first COVID-19 testing laboratory of Arunachal Pradesh was inaugurated by the State Health Minister Aalo Libang in Itanagar yesterday. The lab is set up at the Tomo Riba Institute of Health and Medical Science in Naharlagun, which is also one of the COVID-19 hospitals of the state. Speaking to media, Libang said the lab will benefit a lot to the state government and the people, as now the testing can be done in the state itself. Dr. Mika Umpo, State Nodal Officer COVID-19, has informed that now the laboratory is set for testing COVID-19, but later it can also be calibrated for testing other epidemic or infectious disease like swine flu, bird flu and others. As of now, there is no active COVID-19 positive case in Arunachal Pradesh. The lone COVID-19 positive patient was discharged from hospital after testing negative. In Assam, 4 more COVID-19 positive cases have been reported in the state. Health Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma said that all the 4 patients belong to Bongaigaon district. With these, the total active cases in the state have gone up to 11. Sarma visited Bongaigaon district yesterday to take stock of the situation and has put the district in red zone category. Manipur police have detained 1,104 persons along with 842 vehicles for violating curfew and defying the lockdown, a senior officer said. The curfew violators were produced before the magistrates concerned and were fined totaling to 1,22,490 rupees under the National Disaster Management Act 2005, said the Additional Director General of Police Law and Order L. Kailoon. Police has warned of strict action against those violating the curfew and the lockdown. Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma has informed that the results of the third test of 8 active patients have come out negative, thereby bringing down the number of active positive patients to 3 in the state. So far, the state has tested 1,595 samples, where 1,433 are negative and results awaited are 150. The Chief Minister said that all the 8 have tested negative, which is a good sign, and they have been recovered. Meanwhile, Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong said that after 14 days, the samples of the 8 were tested negative, and as per protocol, another test was conducted within 24 hours, which also came out negative. He said that they are fully recovered now. He further said that the government has recommended them to stay at home for the next 14 days, although they can mingle with friends and family at home. In Meghalaya, all the 60 MLAs of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly have decided to part with 10% of their salary for the whole year, which will go to the Chief Minister's Relief Fund. Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong said the decision to donate 10% of the salary was taken during a meeting, and all the MLAs have agreed to donate 10% of their every month's salary from April this year to March 2021. On deferment of salaries, the Deputy Chief Minister clarified that the government is not deducting their salary, but the deferment is due to the financial crisis owing to the prevailing situation. The Meghalaya government has decided that there shall be deferment of 50% in the gross salary in respect of the Chief Minister, Deputy Chief Minister, Ministers, All India Service Officers and Central Services Officers on deputation to the state government. At least 795 houses were damaged in heavy rain and hailstorm that hit parts of Mizoram last week, Disaster Management and Rehabilitation Minister Lalcham Liana said. He said that 46 houses have been completely damaged and 749 others partially damaged in 58 villages in 9 out of the 11 districts in the state. Lalcham Liana, who is also the Home Minister, said the state government will provide all possible assistance to the affected families. According to the minister, Hirapoi village in East Mizoram's Saitwal district was the worst hit in severe hailstorm. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin from All India Radio Shillong. Have a nice day.